most of you play games at your home, right?
No, ma'am, I didn't play.
Very good. If you don't play, and if you get time, most of you play the games. Instead of playing these type of games like fighting and all these, you just can do one thing. Om Agarwal,
Ma'am,
no need to share anything. Om Agarwal, please. Okay, no need to share. So instead of playing these type of games, you can use this mathematical game apps you have. Okay, there are various games app you have, like educational games apps. You will really
ma'am,
enjoy it. You will learn it
I
also.
play Brain Out.
May I, please, may I speak? May I speak, Om? So instead of playing these type of games, you just can simply download these apps using maths games, and you can do it. You will really enjoy it. It will increase your knowledge also. Okay. And if you're not able to answer some of the questions and you are stuck in between somewhere, you can just ask me also. I can. It will be a fun and even in the class. Switch on your videos, everyone. Okay, you can do that also. Okay, we were doing fractions, right? Fractions with our
Yes, ma'am.
words. Okay, let
Yes,
me see
ma'am.
something good for you so that you cannot get bored in this period. Now I am going to share my screen. There will be one question. This is not a question related to you. This is not a question related to your syllabus. This is just a game. Since you are studying since morning, that's why I'm going to give you one game. Okay, it's not related to fractions also. It's just a game, maths game, you can say. Okay, you will enjoy it. Okay, now I'm going to share the screen. Where is Crossfire? Where is meeting? This meeting. Yeah. What is
What
it?
we are
बेटा
doing?
पहले समझ लेना बेटा. First understand it. What you have to do. Okay. Don't start speaking in between. See, this is coordinate. Coordinate क्या होता है? When there are, if you can see here, can you see where is my arrow going? Can you see my arrow?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you can see my arrow?
Yes, ma'am.
Mouse. Okay, I think all of you can see my mouse. Okay. Here is a map of an island. What is written over here? I can just zoom it for you all. Here is a map of an island. The tour guide is telling the people about various places. Who is the tour guide here? Tell me. Who is the tour guide? Every one of you
Ma'am,
is a
the
tour
big
guide. आप ही हो tour guide. Okay? You all are tour guides. आप है tour guide. It's telling. अभी एक एक करके मैं सबको tour guide बनाऊंगी. Okay? Places on the island. Fill up the locations for him in the chart given in the bottom. See, this is one bridge. If you can see here, how is this chart? I can show you this chart. How is this chart? See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks is horizontally. Horizontally कितने blocks है? Horizontally कितने blocks है? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me use the colored pen now. Horizontally कितने boxes है? I'm drawing a circle over 1, 2, 3, 4. How many boxes are there here horizontally? 4.
4. And 4.
4 boxes are here. Just wait. आ गया. Okay. Now, if you can see here down, okay, if you can see here down there, how many 1, 2, 3, 4 is written over here. And if you can see like this in this way, vertically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes vertically. Can you see that? Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is like this, and 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. If I say swimming pool, if I say lighthouse, lighthouse is coming in which one? First we read this horizontal line. First we read the horizontal line. The first number tell you how many across, the second number tell you how many up. If you can see here, the horizontal lines, they are 4. So first we tell the horizontal line. First we always tell the horizontal, then we tell the vertical and put a comma between them. So lighthouse is in which number? What is the coordinate for lighthouse? What is 1, comma 1,
1.
comma 1. This is the fishing side in the second coordinate. So tell me, where is fishing coordinate? Where is
Ma'am,
fishing
two.
coordinate? No, 2 nahi
Ma'am,
hai.
two.
Not in 2. There are 2 numbers, beta.
Ma'am, 3 and 2.
Wait,
Ma'am,
wait.
3 and 2.
3 and 2. No. No. Fishing site, no. This is a fishing site. Let me dark it all you for all of you with another color. I'm drawing it with the orange color. This is the fishing site. This is the fishing site. Like I have marked it. Here is it, the fishing site. Excuse me. This is the fishing site. First,
Ma'am,
we
it
tell.
is on 2.
See, beta, Abhi, listen here. What we see first at what place is horizontal line coming. Horizontal line is coming at 1. Horizontal line is coming at 1. And then we see where the vertical line is coming at. Vertical line is coming at 2. So vertical line is coming at 2. So the number will be, wait, number will be 1 comma 2. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Number will be 1 comma 2. Like for example, they have given you one example here. Wait a minute. Let me show you the example of how they have given you the example, like swimming pool. Can you see the swimming pool here? It is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can see the swimming pool. Swimming pool, if you see horizontally, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth column, it is coming swimming pool. And no, sorry, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it is coming in the second one. Where is it coming? Second one. 2. Number 2 में आ रहा है swimming pool इधर से और इधर से 4 में. So 2 comma 4 is the answer. Okay. Now can you all do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One by one, I'm going to make you guide one by one, and you are going to tell me what will be there. Okay. One by one, let me see the participant names here. Okay, I'm going to call you one by one. Participants, participants, where are you? Okay. First, I can see Pratyusha's name. So Pratyusha, tell me where is bridge? Can you tell the coordinate of bridge? Shall I zoom it?
Yes,
Bridge का
ma'am.
coordinate बताओ बेटा. Wait.
Ma'am, 2 and 5.
Bridge का coordinate 2 and 5. Just wait. Bridge, where is bridge? Pratyusha, can you use the mouse?
I'm in the 5 one.
Tell me, Pratyusha, mark the
Ma'am,
bridge.
here is the bridge.
Here is the bridge. Very good, Pratyusha. Can you tell me its coordinate?
Ma'am, from here it is 5 and from downside it is 2.
So beta, what will be the answer of this one?
Ma'am, 2 and 5.
2 and 5 नहीं 2 comma 5. Okay, I'm
2
going to give
comma
you a
5.
text box. इस text box में लिखो Pratyusha. Write in this text box Pratyusha. It's not typing. Unable to type.
No,
Leave it beta. 2 comma 5 is the correct answer for bridge. Very good, Pratyusha. So I'm going to write it in for Pratyusha here. 2 comma 5 is the bridge. 2 comma 5. What is it? 5. Okay, next name I could see here of Divyanshu. Divyanshu, tell where is campsite? Where is campsite? Mark the campsite, Divyanshu, on the screen.
Ma'am, downwards it is ma'am 3 and ma'am. Ma'am, and ma'am left side it is ma'am 4.
Okay, what will be the number? What will be the coordinate here? How can you write?
Ma'am, 3 comma 4.
Very good, Divyanshu. 3 comma 4. Very good. Pratyusha, hold on. Okay, Anjali, tell me where is ice cream bar? What is the answer for ice cream bar?
Ma'am, it is from horizontally it is 3rd. Ma'am, from vertically it is also 3rd.
So what will be the answer of this one?
Ma'am, 3 comma 3.
3 comma 3. Okay, good, very good. Now, next is Hridyansh. Tell us where is cave? Where is cave? Can you tell the cave? Hridyansh, can you tell where is the cave? Hridyansh, don't type, just answer on the voice call. Hridyansh is not here, I think so. He said I'm coming in 5 minutes. Are you here?
No, ma'am, he's here.
He's here. He typed in the chat box that he's coming in 5 minutes. Okay, Mehul, you answer. By the time Hridyansh is coming, Mehul, tell us the next one. Where is ice cream bar? Mehul, where is ice cream bar? Number, quickly. Ice cream bar तो हो गया ना? Ice cream bar तो
Yes,
हमने
ma'am.
Okay, sorry. Not ice cream bar. Tell us where is the cave? Where is the cave? Where is the cave? Mehul, can you hear me? Mehul, reply in 1 minute or I'm going to pass it on to the next one. Say at least yes ma'am or no ma'am. Okay, Mehul is not here. I'll mark him absent. Okay, next is Pratishtha. Pratishtha, can you tell us where is the cave? Pratishtha, can you tell us where is the cave? Most of the students are not responding.
Ma'am, the cave is on the third number.
Now, beta, tell me what is the coordinate of it. Tell me the full answer. Where is I have to find cave. I cannot find cave. So how will you tell me? You are the guide now. You have to tell me where is the cave. In which coordinate is it? So I can use what I'm going to do. First I'm going to use horizontal steps. Then I'm going to take vertical steps. Pratishtha, tell me quickly. Tell me quickly, Pratishtha.
Ma'am, first you will go to Mount Snow Peak and after you will
beta Pratishtha, not so big. No. You just have to tell me where is the cave. Where is cave? On which coordinate is it? Where is the cave?
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ beta.
Ma'am, you can hear me?
I can hear you. Who is this? Mehul?
Yes, ma'am. You can.
Mehul, can you tell me where is the cave?
Ma'am, cake.
Cave. Cake
Ma'am,
कहाँ से आ गया?
Ma'am, cave is down from 1.
Beta, number. You just have to tell me the number. That's it.
Ma'am, 1 and 3.
1 and 3. Very good. 1 and 3 नहीं 1 comma 3. 1 will first from here and 3 will from here. You go from here. Okay, now Pratishtha, you tell the next one. Pratishtha, tell where is Mount Snow Peak? Where is Mount Snow Peak?
Ma'am, the Mount Snow Peak is on
Quick, beta. Be quick.
Ma'am, it is on 2 and 3.
Very good, Pratishtha. 2, 3. Pratishtha, now one more question to you. Where is shipwreck?
Ma'am, shipwreck. Ma'am, shipwreck is on. Ma'am, it's on 1 and 5.
Shipwreck is 1 on 5. Let me search it. I cannot myself find it. 1, 5. No.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Hridyansh, tell.
Can I tell the answer?
Hridyansh, tell.
4, 5.
4, 5. Okay. 4, 5. See, it is on 4 and then here from here it is on 5. So 4, 5. Okay. Now, Anjali, again, I think all of you have done. Summer reh gaye. Summer, where is beach hut? Summer, where is beach hut? Can you tell me the number of beach hut?
Ma'am, the beach hut is on 3 and 4.
No. See it properly.
Can I tell? Ma'am, 4 and 5.
Yes. 4. No, not on 4 and 5. 4 and 5 पे तो आपका आएगा बेटा shipwreck. अभी उसे बताया shipwreck. Where is beach hut?
Ma'am, on 4.
हाँ. 4 and 4, what?
Ma'am, 4.
Only 4, no. Yeah, 4, 4 you are saying. No, wrong. Okay, anybody? Okay, 4,4 if you are saying, that is correct. Okay, next is 4,4. Now tell me, where is lighthouse? Who will tell me where is lighthouse? Everyone tell me where is lighthouse. All are my guides. All of you are my guides.
Ma'am,
Tell me, where is beach house?
when the lighthouse
lighthouse?
is ma'am, one position, ma'am, one
Ma'am,
comma
1,1.
Very good. 1,1. Okay,
Ma'am,
where is Shark Bay?
1,1.
Where is Shark Bay?
Shark Bay is ma'am, 4
Ma'am,
comma
1,
1.
4.
1, comma
Ma'am,
4.
1, 4.
No, wrong. Absolutely wrong, Saman.
4,1.
4,1. Yes, 4,1 is correct one. Okay, where is Darwin Resort?
Ma'am, third.
Speak.
Ma'am, 3,
Ma'am,
No, not 2, not
Ma'am,
2,
3,2.
3,
3,2.
3,2. Beta, this is coordinate. We always take horizontal first and this one next. Very good. Okay, very well done, all of you. I think it's being done. Darwin Resort is also done. Okay,
Yes,
this is
ma'am,
all
I
about a
enjoyed.
camping. Huh? This is all about
Ma'am,
camping.
what?
This is about camping.
Ma'am,
If you have chocolates, huh, beta, who have? Just bring one chocolate. I'm giving you a chance. I'm giving you a chance. I'm giving you a chance to eat the chocolate. I am giving you the chance. Your parents won't allow like that, but now you are getting a chance. Mehul, keep your front camera on and hold the chocolate in your hand. Front camera on and keep the camera somewhere and sit properly with the chocolate. Okay. Do you want to open it, Mehul? Do you want to open it? This chocolate. Anjali, do you want to open your chocolate right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Pratishtha, do you want to open your chocolate?
Ma'am, I want to eat, but ma'am, I was having my last chocolate and I think that my brother has eaten that. I can't found it.
Okay, his brother eat that chocolate and she's going to kill his brother now. अब तो भाई की आ गई है. Right, Pratishtha?
Yes,
Ma'am, who is going to kill?
She's going to kill her brother because he ate his chocolate.
Ma'am, he is in 8th class. Ma'am, he is in 8th class. Then also he.
Ma'am, I like Dairy Milk chocolate a lot.
समर बीच में मत बोला करो बेटा, 10 बार मना कर चुकी हो. Don't speak in between like that. One is speaking. हाँ, Pratishtha, what do you say?
Ma'am, my brother is in 8th class. Then
मेहुल जी बैठ जाइए.
Ma'am, my brother is in 8th class. Ma'am, then also sometimes he ate my chocolate. And
Okay.
ma'am, now also he ate
Okay.
it.
Now. Okay, now.
Oh my God.
2-3 minutes are left. Let me. ये दो 5-star मना करी थी मेरे. 5-star मना करी थी.
Ma'am, I ate Dairy Milk with my father.
No
I
5
shared.
stars. 5 star में no, you cannot see the fraction. Okay, who is going to
No, I
open
will
his
divide.
chocolate? Who is
No, I
Anjali is
will
going to
divide.
open her chocolate. Anjali is going to open her chocolate. Okay, Anjali, let's show us your chocolate. Divide it into 2 equal parts. She is going to break the half of the chocolate and she's going to distribute the half of the. She is going to give half of the chocolate to me.
Okay, ma'am.
She is going to share it with me. Show us. How did you do it? Just show us. Okay. This is the chocolate. How many parts are there, Anjali? Can you count them?
Ma'am, 8.
Oh, 8. Okay, you have to give me half of the chocolate. How many parts will you give?
Ma'am, 4.
4. Very good. Out of 8 parts, she's going to give me 4 parts. Okay. Just do it. Break it and give it. Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, I have perfect.
Okay, she did it. Okay, very good. All of you can see she is going to give me this half part, but the meeting is going to be over. Just let it be quick. Okay. Anjali, this is not half. This is not half. You're cheating. You are cheating. She is doing cheating. She is doing cheating. This is not half, Anjali. This is not half. Show us and the camera.
Cannot be break in half.
It can be broken into half pieces. Now she's cheating. She'll take a bigger side herself and she'll give me the smaller one, right?
No, ma'am, I give you a bigger.
Okay, because I'm on camera, so she can give me the bigger one, right? So see, all of you see, just look here. This is equivalent. Out of 8 parts, okay, Anjali, I was just kidding. So out of 8 parts, she is giving me 4 parts. Out of 8 parts, if you can see here, we'll try this experiment of chocolate next time also. Maybe this meeting get over. Out of 8 parts, she is sharing 4 parts, which is equals to how much? Half of the chocolate. Okay, you can see here. She's out of 8 parts, she is sharing 4 parts. I'm going to eat 4 parts. And I said it is equals to the half of the chocolate. Is it so or not? Is it same?
Yes, ma'am.
Both are same, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Half means what? 1 upon
Yes,
2.
ma'am.
And 4 upon 8 she is sharing me. This is equivalent fractions.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is known as equivalent fraction. I'm going to explain you broadly next time with the chocolate only. Okay, the meeting is going to be over. Bye everyone. Hope you enjoyed the
Bye,
class.
ma'am.
Bye everyone. She is eating also.
Bye, ma'am.
See, she is
Bye,
eating
ma'am.
also.
Yes,
Bye
Bye, ma'am.
everyone.
Bye,
Goodbye.
ma'am.
Very sad.